Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly add makeup to your look using CapCut. So you can use this feature on video or photos, but now I'm going to show you how to apply it on a photo. So what you guys need to do is just click on your clips or photo and then head to the retouch menu at the bottom. Click on the face, and here you'll find makeup tab. Okay, so there are four options here: set, eyelashes, eyeshadow, and also lipstick. So for the set, here you can choose the type of makeup or look that you want. So for example, I want to just use the Korean schoolgirl makeup like this. And here you can also adjust the intensity by dragging it to the left or right. If you have more than one photos or clip, you can click on apply to all and click on confirm. And then for the next one, I'm going to click on the eyelashes, and here you can choose which one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And the eyeshadow here, I'm going to add the innocent, and last one is lipstick. So I'm going to add maybe the soft pink here and adjust the intensity to 90. Okay, so that's how. Just click on check icon, and here to show you the before and after, I'm going to add the original photo. Okay, so this is the original, and here is the one with makeup, so you can see the difference here. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.